Hello, this is Seth for Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Jeep Cherokee Sport. Under the hood we have a 2.4 i4 multi-air engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look around. This guy isn't the bright white, it kind of blends in with the snow. It does also come with bifunction projector style headlights right there. It does also have a bit of chrome accenting on the front with the Jeep logo right there. Now along the side here you do have 17-inch Firestone tires, and they look great. You still got a lot of tread on there underneath the snow. Now you do have your side view mirrors here, and they do blend very nicely. They're in the matte black, which matches the handles there. Now coming around the back of the vehicle, you do have your 4x4 logo there, as well as your Jeep logo and your Sport logo. It does have your backup camera right there. And if you press the button right here, it will open up for you as long as it is unlocked. Now there is a lot of room back here as well. Plus you do have a bit of additional storage down here and on the other side. You got a charger right here, and you can also lift this guy up and your spare tire is right underneath there. You can also push the seats forward and you do got a bit more room. Okay, let's start her up here. We got our keys. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate your remote start, which is so nice, especially when it's snowing out here just like this. It means you don't have to go outside earlier than you have to, right? Let's unlock and jump on in. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there, plus a little bit of chrome accenting, and you do have a bit of storage here, a bit more down here, and it has this nice cream stitching on it. As well, you do have the controls over your lights here, so you got your off, you got your daytime running lights, and your regular nighttime lights. And then you do have your in-cabin lights here, and this guy does control your turning signals as well as your high beams. Okay, let's start her up here on the inside. So key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now in the center here, you do have your speedometer and your odometer, as well as your fuel gauge and your oil temperature. Now you can change that guy in the middle. You do also have your temperature outside, the way you're facing, and what gear we're in. But we can change it to your vehicle info, your fuel economy, you got your trip info, your audio, messages, screen setup, speedometer, back to that. And that is all controlled right from here, right from your steering wheel. You do also have your call out button, your voice recognition, and your hang up button. You do have your horn in the middle, of course, and your cruise control options on the other side. This guy is the controls over your windshield wipers. Over here we do have our 5-inch touchscreen display. Now it does come with AM and FM, and you do have your media devices here. So you do have your USB, your aux cord, and your SIM card if you did want to put that in there. You do also have your phone options there. You have your compass, you have your climate control here with your heated seat and steering wheel, as well as you do have your more options right there. This guy is a little storage container up there. And then you do down here have your volume up and down, your screen off, your traction control in your back. Then you have your AC, you have your circulation, your heat up and down. This guy is the control over the power. And then it's your front and rear defrost, and then your tuner right there. Down there you do have a USB and aux cord and a SD card slot. As well, this guy does change the terrain, so you can change how it drives in these different situations. Auto will figure out the best one for you at the time. Snow is for snow, a little bit slipperier. Mud is, or sport gives you a little bit more of an oomph. And sand and mud helps in those driving conditions. You can also change it to reverse, and then you do have your backup camera, which is always very nice. You do have your electronic park brake, so as long as your foot's on the brake, you just pull it back or push it forward to disengage it. You got your cup holders here. And then you also have your armrest here, which doubles as a dual layer. You have a USB plug-in and a 12-volt plug-in right there. Over here you do have your glove box. It is very deep, and it is a locking glove box as well, which is very nice. Up top you do have your sunglass holder, and you have some lights there as well. Okay, let's jump in the back here and take a look. You do have control over their own windows here, of course, and then they do have a bit of that chrome. You got the have the handle here, and a bit more storage down here, and there is a lot of room back here. It is the same material as the other one as well, which is very nice, and it's very, very soft as well. You do also have this guy here that does fold down, and it does give them an armrest as well as a cup holder. And I do like the kind of 2 colors. It makes it stand out very nicely. You can also pull it down, and that's how it lays flat, just like that. And there's your 2.4 i4 multi-air engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2018 Jeep Cherokee Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.